Hello traders, the title of the video is Practical Elliott wave triangles and ABCDE pattern trading tips and tricks. Alright, so if you want to know more about the Elliott wave triangles or ABCDE pattern, go to www.24elliottwaves.com. Our website, digit 2, digit 4, Elliott waves in plural.com. All right? So we want to talk about trading tips and tricks using the ABCDE pattern or the Elliott wave triangle. All right? So this is one example here. All right. Even if you already know about this pattern, I encourage you to stay with us so you may gain more tips and tricks about the Elliott waves patterns, Elliott wave triangles. All right. So the Elliott wave triangle is a corrective wave. It will be correcting a mochi wave, an impulse wave, or a trend. So we have a trending first. Now the price is in a triangle. Look at that triangle. It's a funny triangle, isn't it? Pointing up. So some traders may say, Joe, this is the ending diagonal. Is it? That is the question. All right. So do you have a trending first? So is correcting what? Is correcting this, trending first. All right. If we go quickly to the yearly chart, you can see that it's quite funny. So this stock, by the way, the financial instrument that we are analyzing today, is Packard Incorporated. The EPIC is PCAR, Papa Charlie Alpha Romeo, belonging to the industrial sector, truck manufacturing. All right. So that's what we see on the yearly chart. So if you are on the yearly chart counting way, all right, you will agree that this is an impulse wave and this is a correction. The correction, okay, here it is in a triangle, okay. Now we go on the yearly chart. Let's stay here for a while. You'll see that price, there was this move up, and then the price came down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, you have to understand that even if it's not in a triangle, or instead it's in a consolidation, because it's oscillating, because it's a corrective wave, the expert Elliott wave trader will be trying to buy here. For them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in a triangle, in a consolidation, Elliott wave trader, this is a rendezvous, all right, the meeting point of the Elliott wave trader. They will attempt to buy here. So they will draw a line and they will apply a top-down trading method looking for an opportunity to buy here. See the reaction here? Boom, boom. There's something going on here. All right. Now, another thing I said, I hope I mentioned it before, anytime you draw a triangle, you want to draw the median line of that triangle. So that's the median line of that triangle. Next thing, which I explained to traders, I think at the 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, there is a video about trading triangles, right? Also, one thing you need to understand, professionals also use the ending point of the triangle like this to forecast that there will be a reversal, talking about using the time, not the price. There will be a reversal when the price hit this vertical line. Sometimes the reversal may not happen straight away. At that point in time, the price will continue to go up more, but after a while, we may see a reversal. They use the ending of the triangle to forecast, a possible reversal point, talking about the time when the reversal is possible. From this vertical line onward, they will be expecting a reversal. All right. So now let's go back to the main topic today, the ABCDE. You have a triangle on the monthly chart. So suppose you were here, all right? You were here and you know about the ABCDE pattern, the Elliott wave triangle. And you see here, you can do 1, 2, 3. You say, that's A for alpha. Okay. Yeah, it's a bit funny here. You see, not straightforward. 1, 2, 3. Pull back. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So you may say beware, and you'll be wondering why it didn't come all the way up here. You decided to go ahead with it, And again, it came down like this, okay? Bit funny here, down. So I say C. I say, all right, 1, 2, 3. All right, D. I call this one D. You say 1, 2, 3. This is E. So here you are saying, all right, the ABCDE linear weight triangle is completed. And as an linear weight trader, you start to apply a top-down trading method. So if I start going up, blah, 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 from kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hitting the triangle top here, acknowledging the top of the consolidation within the triangle. So people are looking for opportunity to sell at the top of the triangle, and they will buy. You see the median line, why you should draw the median line of the triangle. You see here, breaks a ball, retest. Look at this tall candlestick bar. Come back down, retest the median line of the triangle. Here again, retest the median line of the triangle. Always you draw a triangle, try to, it's not easy sometimes to draw the median line of the triangle. You come across that and you let me know, okay? This one was quite not too bad. Again here, very important, draw the median line. If it breaks a bull and finds support, you take it from there. If you see a bullish chart pattern above the triangle, that's a high probability trading setup. If you see a bearish trading setup below the triangle, that's a high probability bearish trading setup. So this discussion, we talk about it a bit at the 2-4 Stock Trader YouTube channel. There is a video about triangle, or check the playlist about triangle trading, triangle pattern trading at 2-4 Stock Trader YouTube channel. But the reason why I'm recording this video is that, so another group of traders make me say, George, it doesn't make any sense at all right? So they may say, all right, in fact, if we try putting number on it, this is the A here. Okay, so they say, all right, hold on please. All right, 1 second please, traders. So another group of traders may say, Joe, this is the A wave of that ABCDE, but I disagree with your first, okay, wave count. This is the B wave. So, now, I encourage you to watch the full length for this video. So you may say this is the B wave because 1, 2, 3. All right. So now again, another group of traders may say, all right, so now this is the C wave. And now we are having, okay, what do we have here? This is the D wave, D for delta. And they will be expecting the price to come down one more time, forming the E wave right there. Now you may say, George, are you disagreeing with yourself? No. What we are doing here, or what we are demonstrating to traders that are using the ABCDE pattern or any area wave, a triangle, expanding triangle, descending triangle, and so on. You want to, when you are counting those ABCDE wave of an area wave triangle, you need to understand that not all traders are looking at it exactly the same way that you are seeing it now. So at the beginning I was telling you that this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is, all right, E right here, and people are buying here. Another group of traders say, no, that's not correct. This is the A, this is the B, this is the C, this is the D, and they are expecting the E. Now, the reason why you need to be aware of other traders or take into consideration the wave count or the ABCDE wave identification of other traders is because this is one of the reasons why sometimes the price will dwell longer in the triangle. So one group of traders are calling this one E, that the E is completed right there. Another group of traders say, no, the E is not there yet. All right. Now, suppose you are one of the biggest market players and you have a lot of funds at your disposal. All right. So you can move the market. You have the power to move the market because of your, okay, your, should we say, your firing power. Okay. In the financial market, talking about how you intervene in the market, talking about hedge fund or the big financial institution. If one of those players, all right, that probably is the dominant force that is trading this financial instrument, you need to understand that. So you are trading a stock per car. There is a dominant player that is moving this stock. Always, there's always somebody, either hedge fund, big financial institution that are trading this stock or this financial instrument, and for one reason or another, they end up being a dominant force that are moving it. So if you are that dominant force that is trading this stock, if you call this one E, all right, the price has a high chance to come out of the triangle, yes or no? Because you are a dominant force. If you are a dominant force and you call this one D, the price has a high chance to come down again, all right? So sometimes, for those reasons, the price will oscillate more. Another reason why the price may dwell in a triangle for some time is because of the market environment or the fundamentals, the financial relating to the stock that we are trading. So people are expecting a breakout or a breakdown. It will not happen until the market sentiment relating to that financial instrument has substantially improved, all right? So they are waiting, they are checking, okay, the economy news, they are checking the fundamental. The market movers will not move the price, all right, beyond the triangle if the market sentiment is not helping. So you may see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see here, we are expecting it to come out. It may not come out, it come back down. So you say, all right, George, the second group of traders were right. So this is now E. All right, so you see now it's ready to come out. And here it is, it come to the top again. And did not come out. And then you start thinking what's going on. And then it come here again and you say what's going on. So the point I'm making here is that the price can dwell in a triangle for some time for those reasons. But you, as a technical trader, this is what we are saying. The 6th biggest trading mistake, the violation of market pattern. So if you are a buyer, all right, you say you believe that there will be a breakout, where should you buy? So as I've been saying to traders at 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, I was saying in my beautiful American accent that the market pattern, all right, will determine the strategy, the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. So here, all you have to do, you say, I believe that it's going to come out. You'll be looking for opportunity to buy, looking for trading setup on the edge of the lower part of your triangle. That's the first place, the best place to buy. Here it is on the edge of this trend line here. The second place that you will look for opportunity to buy is here, breaks a bull retest the median line. And the third place that you want to buy is when it breaks a bull and retests or display a higher low, or you see a clear-cut bullish trading setup. So in that case, you are not violating the market pattern because you know that there are sellers here. Or if you are a trader that is using the ABCDE triangle, all right, in your way triangle, and you believe that it's going to come down instead, well, what's your strategy? Your strategy will be to look for an opportunity to sell. Doesn't mean just sell. Look for a self-trading setup, then implement a top-down trading method to trade it if the signal fell come out. So this is the best place for you to look for an opportunity to sell. The second place is below, so which means break below, retest. Here it is, and you will sell here. Your first target is this trailer here. For those who buy a bull, the median break a bull, retest. Your first target is the top of the consolidation. And in that case, you are not violating the market pattern. For somebody who is selling also, he or she can sell below the triangle, looking for bearish trading setup below the triangle. So you are just adopting, okay, the appropriate strategy, which is a consolidation in a triangle. A consolidation can be horizontal channel or a triangle. And you are playing it safe. That's all you need to do. If you want to succeed to trade, okay, your ABCDE Elliott way triangle trading, okay, like a pro or profitably, all right? So you see here, you say, all right, it's ABCDE is going to go up. Know exactly where you should look for an opportunity to buy. And just keep doing it properly, all right? If you see the setup at the right place, all right, and then implement it top-down method. Suppose you were here and they say this is the end of E. You bought it here. All right. You may decide to stay in the trade until it come out, which is completely a bit crazy. You see, blah, blah, blah. It came down back. You may give back some profit, but it's up to you what you are doing. The most important is that if it goes up, you don't want to move your stop loss to break even. So if you come back to the beginning, you come out with a zero loss. Don't allow a profitable trade to turn to a losing trade. So you want to remain in the trade for long? Well, it's up to you. Best scenario, you can take profit. Here it is again, breakable retest. Take profit. People are doing that. And then finally, it pop out, again set up a bow, you take it from there. If the price remain by doing that, if the price stay longer in a triangle, you'll be all right because you are just playing it safe. You are not just buying and doing all kind of things, expecting it that definitely is going to come out. And the price stay in a triangle for a long time. And finally, surprise, surprise to everybody, this company come out with some news that is not helpful. And here it is coming down. What are you going to say? Are you going to say that the Elliott theory is wrong? No, it's not wrong. All right. So play safely without violating the market pattern. In this case, the triangle. If it pop out, you'll be part of it. If it's going down, you'll be part of it. All right. Safely. All right. Another thing that I would say to traders, after you have dropped, so we talk about drawing a median line of the triangle, be drawing a vertical at the point of the summit. At the peak of the triangle, possible reversal point, doesn't always reverse there. You will continue. Usually you go down, up more for a few months before you will see a clear cut, pullback. It can be pullback for short term, medium term, or long term, all right? Another thing that I want to add today, which I talked to two traders, two stock trader YouTube channel, is that those lines of the triangle, you can extend them. Do I have enough room? So you extend those lines. So this, hold on, please. All right, let's see whether I can play with it now. See this trend line here, this one. Let's color it now in a different color so you can see here again. Right, the black trend line. You will extend it into the future. Extend it. Though the point is there, extend it. The extension part of that trend line will be helpful if the price continues to go up more. That will allow you to pinpoint, the hot spot trading zone. And this trend line also, the red one, you will also extend it. It doesn't end here, extend it, because the trading software do not use a limited trend line. They use unlimited trend line, which are extended into the future. So that will help us to pinpoint, hot spot trading zone. The median line also extend it. I don't have enough room to do it now, but it's a good thing to extend, the lines of the triangle, all right? So all in all right, talking about the ABCDE Elliott triangle, is a consolidation, it's a corrective wave, all right? And we want to play it safe without violating, the market pattern. All right? So this will conclude this discussion today about a practical Elliott wave triangle and ABCDE pattern trading tips and tricks. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If you find this video truly useful, give us the thumbs up. If you dislike this video, mark it down. All right. If this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, on Facebook, and also on Reddit. All right. So this is an educational, Elliott wave video, and traders that are looking for educational Elliott wave video will say thumbs up. Some traders may say, no, that's not for me. Don't mark it down if it's not for you, but only mark it down if the video has been truly useless. All right. So because I watched those metrics, and with that we are building the channel. So this will conclude our discussion today about practical Elliott wave a triangle and ABCDE, a pattern trading tips and tricks. I hope you have found it useful, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSTW 24 traders. Happy to meet you all and speak to you soon. Thank you for watching.